Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to reach the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down and tap on the display. Here we've got the wallpaper option, it should be on the 4th position, so let's tap on it. And now we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from our own gallery, from the live wallpapers if you will have any compatible ones, of course, from Google Photos, but here we've got actually our gallery and the regular wallpapers which have been defaultly installed on this device. So I will pick something from the wallpapers, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. We've got plenty of them. What's more, here you can tap on My Photos, and obviously you will be transferred to your own photos and you will be able to set one as a wallpaper. But I will pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and in order to check the preview of it, just tap on it. And as you can see, it appears right here. So if you are happy with your choice, all you have to do is just tap on the stick icon to set the wallpaper. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both, so simply tap on the option like to use. And now we can go back and check. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. What's more, we can check the lock screen, and it is also visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.